Hi everyone, welcome to this course. In this course, I'll walk you through mobile app marketing, where you'll be shown how to make the right moves in order to make sure that your app is geared towards success. The app industry is mature and very competitive, so you have to plan and prepare and take the most optimal steps to ensure your app ranks high and is highly valued. So the things we'll be going through in this course or the course content are firstly introduction. So basically in the introduction section we'll be going through mobile app and the importance of it. Next comes the app store optimization. So in this section we'll be talking through how to optimize your app in the app store so that your app gets downloaded like in thousands, in hundred thousands or in millions and more people use it, and also how to make sure that your app is used often and regularly. Next, how to use your website for mobile app marketing. So out here we will be shown how to leverage your website in order to promote your app. And then next we'll be going through how to get more app ratings and reviews. So here we'll show you the things that you need to do in order to make sure that on the app store your app gets really good ratings and as well positive reviews. Following that will be the growth hacks to promote and market your app. So in that section we'll go through the things that you can use to promote and market your app. After that we'll be going through the mobile app tools. So there are some cool tools which you can use to make sure that your app is fully optimized, and these tools will make sure that your app can get even more coverage. Social media automation. So we all know we live in an age where social media is very prominent and people use it on a daily basis. Why not use social media to promote your app as well? Then we'll go through YouTube marketing for your app. YouTube is a great platform for marketing your products or services. So in the same way, you can use YouTube as a platform to market your app. Then, last but not the least, we'll be going through the promotional strategies for your app. The strategies that you need to implement to make sure that your app is a success. So on that note, yes, let's get going, and I'll see you all inside the course.